Hi, beautiful souls. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Yogi Cass, and today we're doing a standing forward fold with very much healing affirmations. And this asana is also called Padahastasana, and this practice is very calming and rejuvenating posture that strengthens our hamstrings, our calves, and spine while promoting relaxation and mental clarity. So to start, stand at the front of your mat, feet hip wide apart, root down evenly through both feet, engage your legs gently, keeping the knees soft here. And take a deep inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine and opening your chest. And feel the energy moving from the crown of your head down to your heels. And hinge at your hips and fold forward, keeping your spine long as you lower your torso towards your legs. Relax your neck and let your head hang naturally. Place your hands on the floor or shins where it's comfortable for you. Or if you want, you can take your hands and fold them backwards. We are working with the root chakra. We are grounding and connecting us, and we are grounding and connecting with our stability and balance. We are also activating beautifully our crown chakra on top of the head, and this is all about our awareness, intuition, and promoting clarity, calm, and insight. And while this practice, we are doing beautiful healing affirmations to nurture both body and mind. In this pose, feel the stretch along your hamstrings, spine and lower back. We are releasing tension. We are improving circulation and also stimulating the abdominal organs and calming the nervous system. So on the physical level, we are giving our bodies a beautiful boost and overall immunity boost. And also notice on the energetic level, notice the sensation through your feet into your root chakra, giving stability, support, and connection to the earth. Feel gently this energy rising to your crown chakra, giving you clarity, peace, and mindfulness. And as you hold this, breathe deeply. And if you wish, you can switch sides whenever you feel like it. And now we're starting with our affirmations. I am grounded, I am supported and safe in this moment. I release all tension from my body and spirit. I am flexible, resilient, and open to life's flow. I surrender what no longer serves me and welcome peace. I trust the wisdom of my body and I honor its needs. With every breath, I feel calm, centered, and balanced. I am connected to the earth, yet open to the universe. My mind is clear, my heart is open, and I'm perfectly aligned. I'm calm and stable always. I am presence. I embrace stillness. I am grateful for my body, my breath, and my being. I release fear, tension, and doubt. I allow serenity and joy to flow through me. I have released all blockages and resistance from my body and mind. My life force energy moves freely through my body. I am at ease. All is well. I am a powerful being. I am calm and stable always. All is well. I am safe always. Thank you. Thank yourself for taking this time to ground, to heal, and I wish you carry this calm and balance with you throughout your day. I wish you have a beautiful day. Lots of love. Bye.